In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix unidentified network or Wi-Fi limited access. So let's get started. Go ahead and do a start button, make a right click, and then you have to select device manager. Now here in the device manager window, you just have to locate network adapters. And here you have to select your network adapter. And then make a right click on it, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just have to simply choose the latest version, or you have to simply try one by one as to what will work for you and click on next. Okay, close this. Now for the second method, go back to the same device manager window, and then you just have to make a right click on your network adapter again, select uninstall device, click on the uninstall button. Do not worry, if you're going to reinstall it, you just have to simply close the remaining windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. After restarting your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows. Next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Here in this command prompt, we need to simply type this command. First command is natsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. Next command, ip config space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS, hit enter. Now type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Here simply type ncpa.cpl, click on OK. Locate your Wi-Fi, make a right click, then you have to select properties. Now here in the properties window, locate Internet Protocol version 4 and click on properties. And here you'll find the second option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. We are going to use the Google's DNS, one of the greatest DNS. So for the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4, and you have to click on OK, and then you have to close everything from here. Next method, click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you just have to select network and internet. You have to scroll down and you will find advanced network settings. Under more settings, you'll find network reset. Click on that and then click on the reset now button to reset your network. Click on the yes button. After that, you need to simply before you're going to go on with this process, make sure you remember your connection password, because this will also restart your Windows, and after that you just have to re-enter your connection password again into your Wi-Fi network. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.